These days, many creators are starting faceless YouTube channels, but the real challenge is finding videos, photos, music, and icons that are truly copyright-free and safe to use. In this video, I'll share the top 10 trusted websites, both free and paid, for getting videos, music, photos, and icons that are safe and copyright-free for YouTube. Pexels gives you thousands of free stock videos and photos, with no copyright issues. You can use them in your YouTube videos, social media posts, or commercial projects, no credit card or license purchase needed. Here's the search bar where you can find the type of photos, video clips, and icons you're looking for. Pixabay offers videos, photos, illustrations, sound effects, and background music, all under a free-to-use license. Everything here is royalty-free, and you don't have to worry about copyright claims. Mixkit is a free platform by Invato. You'll find a variety of cinematic video clips, templates, and background music, all available for free, even for commercial use. Unsplash is one of the best places for high-quality photos, perfect for thumbnails, blogs, or video backgrounds. Every image on Unsplash is free to use, even for commercial content. Freepik offers both free and paid graphics. You'll get thousands of free icons, illustrations, and vector designs, but premium users get access to exclusive content and don't need to give credit. Flaticon is another site with free icons, but it also has a premium plan that removes attribution requirements and unlocks more downloads. Free users can still get great icons for thumbnails, logos, and animations. Invato Elements is a paid subscription that gives you unlimited access to videos, templates, photos, sound effects, and music. It's great for YouTubers, designers, and video editors who want professional assets under one commercial license. Epedemic Sound is a paid music library made for creators. You'll get high-quality, copyright-cleared music and sound effects. With an active subscription, your channel is protected from copyright strikes and claims. Artlist gives you royalty-free music and sound effects under one simple license. Even if your subscription ends, you can keep using the downloaded tracks forever, perfect for long-term creators. Motion Array is another paid platform that offers stock videos, templates, plugins, and music for editors using Premiere Pro or After Effects. It's ideal for professional creators who want polished high-quality assets. So, there you go, the top 10 paid and free websites every creator should know in 2025. All these sites are safe, copyright compliant, and perfect for YouTube videos. Always double-check each platform's license terms before using the content. Even copyright-free assets can have uses rules. In this video, I've shared how you can find copyright-free video clips, photos, music, and icons for your YouTube video or any other platform. But here's the thing. If you don't have a proper script, a clear voiceover, or smooth editing, even the best resources won't help your video stand out. That's why I recommend watching this next video, where I explain how you can use AI tools to easily generate your script, voiceover, and video edits even if you're a beginner. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what kind of video should I create next.